Everybody, welcome back to the Michigan Farming Series. In this video, we're going to be finishing up anhydrous on our cornfield from last episode. We did break the toolbar last one. We broke a line on it. I did get the line replaced off camera. And we will be finishing doing anhydrous. And then my plans for the next episode after this one is doing some bean harvest, because I don't have a lot of time to do this episode. So we might not finish anhydrous in this episode either. But we're going to try to do it. We'll probably bump up the speed on it. We're going to fire up this old tractor here. We're going to get going. It's going to be a fun video, guys. Okay. Turn on the wagon. Turn on double application. Let her go. We're running low on time, so we're gonna run it like 1 mile an hour higher. We're gonna go 10. Last time we were running at 8 mile an hour. Now we're gonna run at 10. Because it doesn't put any stress on the tractor or anything. I'm just worried about those tanks back there. But yeah, we are using our Case 8950 boxcar Magnum on a John Deere toolbar, anhydrous toolbar. We're running the double wagon back there. We're running about 85% in those tanks left. 85% left in those tanks back there. Out of 100. There's the auger wagon and the combine over there. I did kind of open up the field for bean harvest, so it's a lot easier for me to film it. So I did open that field up. But we will not be doing any harvesting in this episode. We're going to finish this thing. This is where the stick was last time, so we just got to be more careful back here. We're probably going to run at 8 mile an hour back here, because this is the area that I don't really know about. Because it's kind of hard to see these logs back here from the forest tree line. There we go. Oh, that toolbar is going right through the trees. My guidance is making me do things I don't want to do here. Alright, now we're going to jump back on our line. Far enough away from the tree line now, we can bump it back up 10 mile an hour. I want to bump it back down to 9 mile an hour. That looks a little too fast. Ooh! Ooh, that tree's low hanging. I don't even know how we got the combine under there. I just about took off the cab on this tractor. But yeah, we're just going to do the headlands. I know you're not supposed to do the headlands first, and you're just really supposed to do up downs first, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Screw it. I was just doing up downs, but now I'm just going to do the headlands. It'll make the field look a little nicer. Huh, the cruise control just deactivated for some reason. That's where I'm going to stop it. That's kind of somewhat where the headlands end. We're going to finish this section of the field down here. Did I turn the wagon off? Oh, that's why. I turned the pumps off on the tanks back there so it wasn't putting anything into the ground. Well, not the pumps on the tank, but I turned the toolbar off. The toolbar wasn't on. We're at about 79% in those tanks back there out of 100. 79% left. I don't think we're going to have to switch tanks in this field. We might have to. I'm not 100% sure. But we're trying to get as much done as we can because I got to go. Mowing season just started, so we got to go mow my grandma's yard and my grandma's friend's yard. And then I got to get my hair cut soon. So that's why I'm kind of running low on time. So we'll get as much done as we can. Because I got to leave at 9, I'm pretty sure. And it's 8:34, so. Kick it into gear and get it done. Yeah. Let me go on the map here and I'll show you what we have left to do. And what we've already done. So, this is field 7. The one that has the little GPS marker in it. The brown is what we have done. The gold is what we have not done yet. The gold is still corn stalk. So, we're hoping to get the whole thing done. I'm hoping we will, but it's not looking like it. So we might have to finish up anhydrous on this field in the next episode, and then we'll also do bean harvest, and that will be a longer episode. This one's not going to be as long as all the others. This one's going to be a little short. But this one's just going to be anhydrous, so don't expect anything else unless something breaks on the toolbar again. Now we're going to go back to our skip lines. Yeah, hopefully we can finish it. We put 0.8 hours on this, just doing anhydrous. We'll probably reach an hour on this tractor. 1.2 hours is my guess by the time we finish this field. It'll probably be at on the hour meter. Because we bought this tractor brand new. Crap. And GPS guidance lines are driving me nuts. And mother. There we go. There we go. Now we're going again. The tanks are starting to get a little dirty. I haven't looked at this angle yet. Yeah, we gotta do that section. Let me go out into the drone cam here. Behind those trees back there, there's a tiny section back there that we have to do also. we're going to go up here and finish back in the front. Toolbar. This ain't gonna look too good. We're just gonna go through here and get as much done as we can there. Lift up the toolbar. I didn't know there was a pond right there. It's kind of nice. Okay, now we're gonna have to go back over here. Take the edges of the field over here, pull out into the grass. Okay. So front is done. Now we just need to do this middle part, and then we need to do the smaller part on the way back. We're making good progress, though. I think we will finish it in this episode, because my goal is to now be doing anhydrous in the next episode, and all harvest. Because I know some of you guys think doing anhydrous is a little boring. I like it, but my opinion doesn't matter. Viewers' opinion matters. Because you guys are the ones that are watching this and encouraging me to do it more. Because my last video, which I know this is not like amazing for like all the big YouTubers, but for me, I got 20 views on my first ever episode for the series. So I think that's a pretty good start to the series, and a lot of people were telling me that they like it. But yeah, there's the opening to that little section back there. Yeah, we're on one of our last passes back here. We got that little one there, and then we can start moving to the back. So yeah, we will finish this field in this episode. Alright, that's good. Because doing anhydrous for the next episode would screw my plans up for bean harvest over there. We got 0.9 hours on it, so yeah, we're about to hit an hour on this tractor. Now we're going to start on this little section in the back because we're done with the big part of the field. Okay. But yeah, this section shouldn't take all but 5-10 minutes. Well, 5 minutes back here. If we're running at 10 mile an hour, and we got a pretty big toolbar back there. Because this video has been going on for 16 minutes. I'm hoping to only run this video for like 20-25 minutes. It's not because I don't want to record. It's just I'm hoping to get done so I have a little bit of time before I have to leave. So it all depends. If I reach like the 20-25 minute mark, I'm still not done. I might just cut the camera because we'll be definitely close to finishing. So I'll just take it, turn the camera off and be done with it, and then finish it off camera because it'll probably be like 1 to 2 passes. Why am I not getting guidance back here? Huh. It won't give me lines back here? No, it still doesn't give me. Okay. Now there's my steering assist. Okay, I just had to tinker around with the device. Because I like to have steering assist so I can be a little bit better on my lines. I will try to get a real life video out to you within the next week. I think we're supposed to have some rain incoming, so I might do that video either later today or tomorrow. Because I think we're supposed to have rain all next week where I live. So, won't be doing anything outside. It'll be all inside videos. I'm planning to post on this series every other day. So, like last time I uploaded on Thursday. Skipped it on Friday. Didn't upload on Friday. And now it's Saturday and I'm uploading on Saturday. So, every other day I'm going to upload on this series. And if you can't, bear with me because I'm busy. I'm pretty busy a lot. We got one more pass back here. So you guys will be able to see me finish this field. We got 1 hour on this tractor. We just officially hit 1 hour. I was thinking about putting this tractor on the grain cart, but I like the 8100 on the grain cart over there. This tractor, I think, is our most horsepower tractor on the farm, because I think this thing runs like 240, 230 horsepower. I mean, it'll pull anything that we have on our farm, because we're not that big of a farm. Yeah, we're done. Fold the toolbar up. We'll be ending this video because we're not going to be doing any more anhydrous till we get done with harvest. This is just a field that I really wanted to get some anhydrous on early. We finished off with about 60% in the tank out of 100. So we only went through like 40% of our anhydrous in that tank, which is pretty good. This is how it all looks up. This is how it all looks folded up. Yeah, we're just gonna park it back here and leave it here for a little bit. You know what? I might even just put it back like on this little grass patch over here, because in case it rains or anything, I don't want it to be sinking into the mud or anything. Alright, so that's this tractor's sitting spot for like the next week. No one can steal it, and it won't sink into the field when it rains because it's got solid grass underneath it. And yeah, it just keeps the field from compacting because we got a lot of nice soil in this field right now. But let's go on to the mini map and I'll show you. Well, let's go on to the map. I'll show you the finished product. That is the finished product. Doesn't look great. All the gold spots are what we missed, but the brown is what we did not miss. I think we did pretty good. I think we did half decent. Most of the field's got anhydrous on it. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning into this episode. Goodbye.